Wow, man, it's your fucking vibe. We got Foot Asylum. We got Foot Asylum. Nella bakes for Philly, Konan, and Johnny. Kick off episode 3. Know what I'm saying? Well.
Listen, man. If you're not ready to subscribe now.
Subscribe.
You can be
down with the only nation.
Come on, let's not get into that.
Nah, yeah, we're the only nation.
No, we're not the only nation.
Yes, we are.
There are other nations that
we're on our Borat shit.
They really run shit.
Can you really say you was here before 100,000?
Who?
If you
Y'all?
subscribe?
No.
Anyone that what?
From Switzerland?
I'm not gonna lie. I could bet you about probably 25% of the niggas that's watching this vid right now was here before 10,000. Maybe even less.
If you were, comment.
And show proof, nigga.
Nah, yeah, you have to
show
proof.
fucking proof.
Like,
word.
drop your favorite memory from like when niggas wasn't this type shit. Think about it like that.
I think we did this before. They was like, damn, bro. I don't know how to do that shit long time.
Well, if you watch the video and you have a memory, type in memory.
It's the oldest memory you've had of us on this channel.
What was the first vid you watched of us?
That put you on.
And if it wasn't a reaction, then you're OG.
How you even did. Son, you're a real OG if you know. I mean, you're not a real OG, but if you know about the cooking shits, yeah.
Cooking with Wavy, dude. Tough series, man. We was bugged out niggas back then.
Nah, yeah, that was crazy.
That was season 1.
Now we season 2. We come with better production.
Jay was on season 1. I bet you remember that.
I was there for the whole. If you knew, I was there the whole time. This is yeah. The whole time.
Not that I for real though. BTS.
Subscribe, like, comment. You know the vibes already. Let's get into this. Now we're about to cook green cakes. And then, yeah.
Kick off episode 3.
All the shit, man.
Drop into this, man.
Channel. Sweet. Jave got a bit out.
Watch it.
Show support. Need the road.
When I poured stuff, what did you do?
It's a
What did
very...
it tell you to do? Pour it.
No.
You didn't take a picture, no?
Yeah, but put it on the edge, let it cool sit. You didn't have no cool and sit period of time.
You didn't cool and sit, nada.
Hello and welcome to Foot Asylum Bake Off.
We are going to be recreating
Nigga
Cakes?
fucked up his line.
Hello and welcome to Foot Asylum Bake Off.
This is the show where we will be recreating cakes that we have been shown.
Each of us will be judged by a star baker that will ultimately crown us Foot Asylum's top chef.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and...
Yeah, Nella won by that little clip. Nella won.
I didn't see that shit.
Look.
Nah, bro.
Oh, alright, never mind. I'm not gonna show you, but yeah, it's dubs in the
I mean, I
chat.
can see how she wouldn't win type shit because.
Yeah, that was.
Alright guys,
Nothing.
so it's my turn
Tacky.
now. Alyssa, would you like to come
Yeah,
and
that would have been.
today?
Nah, it's not even. I mean, look at the niggas she's going up against.
Nah, yeah.
Philly, Johnny, and Konan. Konan is rich. Philly is just Ed. Johnny is just semi-Ed. These niggas not cooking. Like,
Just show out.
that's light. Come on.
Cosmo won the cake.
That's a cake fondue around it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're just going to make 2 sponges.
What's fondant?
Fondant is like icing sugar. You're going to make
Mold
jam.
it too.
Yeah, it's like
The green.
leather.
Leather for cake.
Facts.
Dirty boy. Alright, let's do it.
Your cake don't even gotta be good. You bought that fondue one and just put that shit on top.
Raspberries on your
You really
cake.
got a tutorial, don't play.
I only like strawberries on my cake. I'm being 100.
Like
Come on,
in?
AJ. I know you
They
like
could be
fruits.
in, I wouldn't mind. And then on top.
Yeah, I like strawberries.
Any other fruit bar, I can't.
Strawberry cheesecake is next level. Next
So,
fucking
Nella
level.
Rose, what is step 1?
We're gonna make a sponge.
Okay.
Why are you guys looking at me like that?
Here's a question.
Oh, jeez.
Have you ever baked at home?
I don't bake. I
Mmm.
make apple crumble and banana cake. You can bake.
Nah, apple
but
crumble
it's
is
like-
tough.
She knows the gist of it, you know what I mean? Does it slap, the apple crumble, yeah?
I make the best apple crumble. No one should
Nah,
play with
see,
me.
I can't bake.
Nasty. Listen, I make the best one.
Listen,
So she baked.
I notice. What's the first thing I did? I got the paper. All right, step 1, she kind of knows what she's doing. Don't let her gas you.
Saw that
Put it this
now.
way, if her thing don't bang, it's weird. Innit?
If you don't bang, it's weird still.
We ain't made no apple crumble.
Word, you said your team's the best one as well, so...
feel like I'm
Give me some of your team, give you some of my
I'm
team.
not exactly the best of bakers, but I do make like a banging banana cake and a banging apple crumble. So yeah, I've got experience and what.
Yeah.
What, you're just
See how I don't talk too
GG's in the chat.
Pyong.
I'm gonna put milk in that now.
Old Tay. Yeah, she know what she doing, man.
Where you going?
See, unlike you lot, I use the resources around me.
Y'all is a menace.
Oh, that looks delicious.
Nah, she's home. She gotta stand up more.
Chill.
Yeah, nah, it could be.
Because look how much we was judging roasting and it was nice, fam. It was actually nice. How's it looking in there?
The gooey texture.
Yeah? You know you're so hard to read.
Yeah, like poker face.
It's looking sexy still.
Say no more.
Nah, she's a clown.
She's looking sexy still.
I don't waste time like you lot.
Heard you.
Damn.
Alistair, where's the, huh?
Huh?
Huh? Where's my utensils, bruv? Where's, huh?
Top drawer. Top drawer.
Thank you.
All right, Nels, while you're cooking, we're going to play a rhyming game.
You lied to me though.
Why did I lie to you?
Nigga said why? What?
Oh, I thought you were the
She definitely did say something.
second drawer. There we are. And we put the grace paper. There we go.
Thank you.
Oh, so you lot already put the...
Damn!
For her.
Damn, she a little mixy if you did.
She already got the shit in the tin.
I got you, bro. I got you, my guy. So you just make sure her thing was a bit like...
It's called parchment paper.
Okay,
you
do you
don't
know
know
what
about
I've
that.
noticed?
I hate you.
noticed
Hold on a minute, so that means you lot don't rate me.
Yeah, it's the other way around.
Shit,
That
it's
means
bumpy, man.
we're so, me and Cones were so dead that they've gone raw. We need to shorten this thing up.
They sacrificed the boy and then they made it easier for
You
you.
know what I'm saying? This is someone's future wife.
If you're watching this, babes, I swear I love you. I would never do this to you.
Alright, that looks sick, man. You know what you're working with, man.
That does not look.
Nigga said that looks sick, man.
So now, guys, I'm gonna be making a jam. I'm gonna be making a raspberry jam. How do you operate this thing?
Have you made jam before? Because you're not even you ain't read the recipe once, so I feel like you just know what you're doing.
The recipe's rigged.
Did you hear earlier when he said it was 2 layers?
There's another tin in there.
See, this is what I don't like about you. You lot trying to act like I don't know
gonna
what
make
I'm
the
doing.
layer
I
with
know
the
what
one
I'm
tin,
doing.
yeah?
I know what I'm doing. I'm making a jam.
Oh, I love that.
This is what I'm gonna do. There was supposed to be butter here somewhere, Alistair.
Read recipe.
I don't read that. I don't read that thing. So what I'm gonna
Read
do,
the
I'm gonna make a
recipe.
caramel. Listen, future husband. This is how I'm gonna look after you, daddy. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna
What's that?
sprinkle some sugar. I'm gonna melt it and make some sexy caramel. Yeah. I know you like that, daddy.
Nah, the face is crazy.
Then, let me get my spatula. Once I
Spatula. I moved that. Turn the heat down, Nels, man. Have you just put sugar in a raw pan?
This is how you make caramel.
No lube, no nothing. You know what I mean, like a wetness, like satin.
Daddy, are you hearing this?
Nah.
Oh yeah.
This is looking more like a curse.
Nah, she got a
No, turn that down, Nels. You're gonna smell like this whole thing, man.
It was supposed to gala.
Bro, sugar. Why is no one saying nothing? She's spraying raspberry with sugar. All I want to say about Nella Rose is that I love her. I don't want to say one negative word about Nella Rose. I thought Nella Rose was great. She was entertaining, and that's all that matters.
Do you even know what that is?
Yeah.
What is that?
Where is that?
Icing sugar.
Okay,
Icing
done.
sugar.
She knows what she, actually, I think she knows what she's doing still.
You lot don't know about my things. I've been telling you. Get me?
Been telling you, God.
Look at that sexy.
Can you show us the texture? Get us
Yeah.
involved.
Giving burn.
Yeah.
burn.
Give me
It
jam.
looks good, it looks good.
It's giving jam. So my jam's done like what? I've got like 20 minutes to spare. So now we're gonna work on the fondant.
Don't come like that already. That's like fire.
You got to wrap that
You gotta
up.
relay.
You gotta like flatten that bitch.
Things.
Make it like a little baby
So what we're
blanket.
gonna do now is we're gonna.
You gotta need that.
Alistair, where's the roller?
Damn, in the crib, niggas not gonna like. Not need shit like that, but like need shit like
saying
that.
top drawer in
I don't
case
really
it's
see
not
myself
accused me of
baking.
lying
I mean,
again.
Because you did lie to me.
I did. I
You
lied.
been
I
liar,
openly lied.
actress.
I like him. Good guy. All right, round of applause for Alistair, man. Good guy, man. No, you're a good brother. If someone says they don't like Alistair, the problem is them, innit?
I'm gonna get you a rolling pin.
Oh,
And
so
be
they
very
set you up. You
embarrassed.
didn't even have that.
I swear the rolling thing is part of the recipe. See how you lot is
Is it? Have you read it, yeah?
Oh my God, you didn't put no flavour.
I don't need flavour because the jam is rich. Come on,
Bro,
I
stop
know
backseat
what
bacon.
you know what
but
I'm doing, thank
do you know what's mad? We know she's
Backseat
happy, but like,
bacon.
what's the point?
So what you do?
Where's the flavour?
Smart. What? And,
Chill out. Chill out.
wait.
That's a bit mental.
No.
Oh my.
Why?
Yo,
Because I know why you did that, because I'm an ex-baker. But why have you put flour on that rolling pin?
Yo, chill out. Yo.
Nels?
Nah, she's actually crazy.
Nah.
Well, what is going
That's not Philly liking that. Nah, he's
He in the back,
"Come on."
smiling, nigga
Why
like.
have you put flour on the rolling pin?
I think I need.
Nels,
Yo.
Nels! You've aired me twice and I know you
I
heard.
just feel like it's giving, you know, it's to. It's,
No, it's so it doesn't stick. That's what you had to say.
this thing ain't sticking
so
to
the dough
nothing.
don't stick to the rolling pin.
That's
Can't
what
lie.
But that ain't dough, that's icing, so I don't think it would stick.
Oh.
You knead it with your hands first.
No, yeah, warm that up. It's like one of them
Warm it
things
up
you
in your
put with the hand
hands
warmer.
and it'll extend.
So I should warm it up with my
Rub
hands.
that down.
Yo, chill out.
Watch.
That you're dealing with.
Get that warm. Rub that.
No, he's not lying though.
You gotta warm it up.
Nah.
You went in straight away.
Yo.
When
You ain't
in-
even risen. Like, you know she's trying to work something on the blocks. Like,
Yo.
work with him.
It always rises for me.
Yeah, woof.
Talk to me.
Bro, this episode is crazy.
Nah, that's right.
Woof.
She's brother.
Yo, chilly, chill. Yeah, I said
Nigga
chilly.
said chilly.
Relax, bro.
Guys, sponges in the oven, things rolled out, jam's done. I'm too good at this. Yeah.
Sure that's done.
Yeah.
It's a bit clumpy,
No, I like my jam like that.
Spoken.
Why don't you put it in there? Get it mixed properly. Put it in under the whisker.
No, I can't do
Oh,
that.
that's a wicked red though.
Don't you want to mash that down a little piece?
What?
Like the jam.
Okay.
Look like a voodoo curse, man.
Nuts. All you need is one strand in hair and then
And a bone.
the whole pot comes to life.
Fingernail.
So Victoria sponge cake is easy. Just 2 layers, jam, whipped cream, and yeah, I did my thing because I do my thing and that's what I do. Yeah. I don't have icing.
The green thing is the icing.
Yeah, the green
Remember?
thing's the icing.
The green thing, yeah.
I want you to put icing in the middle like a fondant.
Behind you,
Oh yes, look, you make the rose out of that.
the pink thing.
I make a pig, easier. Come on, a f***ing rose, you can't make a rose.
You know what? You should just like, and then like you know like the Play-Doh, and then like, you can easily mold it into stuff. I'm saying, I'm giving you techniques.
How do you go?
He owns a restaurant, guys, as you can see. So this is
I
what
don't
you
know
want
if
me
that's
to
a
do.
shot or.
That's a rose.
Yeah, like it weren't like crazy, innit? It was more like take it how you want.
It was
Alan,
shady.
what's that?
That's what I'm saying. See, look, you got something going on
That's
there.
a rose.
Like a UFO type.
Like a UFO.
That's a rose.
What's a turn?
That's a turn.
Oh, that's deep.
John,
I've
do you
never
want to
heard
come
that,
up here and do
you
it yourself?
Is that a thing, yeah?
Get a little
know the
circle
turn?
thing, put it on top of it. You can make a person. You know what I'm saying? Arms, legs,
Make
head.
it, make
Oh,
it,
that looks
make
like
it man.
that looks like a cute poo.
While I wait for the cake to cook, why don't you and Nella have a rose off since you got a restaurant and that?
Oh, we're just throwing the restaurant around like that, yeah? Get down to crepes and cones, you're done
You
now,
gotta
man.
drop the number and the name as well so they can book in.
You're done now.
Crepes and cones.
Head down to Crepes
You're
and
done now.
Cones, you're done now. Oh yeah.
You know it.
So I'm saying for everybody that wants to know how to do a rose, it's all in the preparations.
You gotta look at your future wife while you're doing that.
It's all in the preparations.
You just changed the camera.
What's a rose look like again?
Me?
Alright, I got it.
Oh, he's going in. He done a stem. You didn't even do a stem.
I don't need a stem.
I've got 3 plants, guys. One's called Stanley, one's called Daisy, and the other one's
That
called
looks like shit.
actually
That
real
looks like,
life.
that looks like shit. Absolutely. And the thing is, you're sticking to this. A little.
I can't get my hand off. I can't get my hand off.
Yeah,
I can't get my hands off. The hands are stuck.
plant leaf, yeah.
It was giving kindergarten, it was giving nursery, it was giving, you know, something that the kids do to keep them occupied. That's what Konan was giving, and I clearly won that, by the way. The way I've won this thing, it's actually been
You
too
haven't
easy.
won nothing, bro. Like,
You need to flavour it.
I'm gonna infuse my sponge with the vanilla drops. Have you done that?
Nah, she knows
You're
you
not a
doing.
baker, you're not a real baker.
smoked her. Smoked
No,
her.
come back.
Smoked her. Put you in a
Cones is actually.
That is fire.
I'm smoking
Why
on
you
a
like
Nella
him
pack.
like
No, it is. It is.
I'm
Why
smoking
you
on a
like
Nella
him
pack
Yo.
right now.
I actually think Nella's better. Can't lie.
Thank you.
That on a cake.
You hear that, Daddy? He says mine's better.
That on a cake.
This is the one that
Would you
Super
know that's a
Mario
rose
gets.
by looking at it?
Yeah, you would. Use your imagination, Philly.
Yeah, we had a little rose off. At the end, I feel like her rose made more sense for her cake. Like my rose was more of a 2D vibe. Her one was more of a 3D vibe. Just depends what you're into. But my one was actually art attack vibe. You know what I'm saying? Like I learned from the great.
Timekeeper, how long does she have left? The pancake's nearly done.
You got a minute left. Now get that out and
I think
start
I'm
dressing
gonna
it
take it out and then I'm gonna let it rest.
And the biscuit's nearly done, man.
No, it's looking flattish though. I hope it's nice though.
Hey, that cookie's looking mad.
Well, you woke up, so what? You didn't make a cookie.
Le mousse, le vomit. Le boucher.
Hey, you know what? I feel so sorry for Johnny. He sat next to me. You know, every time I laugh, I'm grabbing him up, and I can just feel.
Oh, so man, that's great.
Yeah, I felt that one. I'm sorry, bro.
Yo,
I need to get out of that habit. I'm sorry.
what's up, Philly? Always doing that. Nigga be in niggas' mouths. You like, yo,
Your
laughing.
name like twice. He's not the using and abusing you.
This.
Of course.
There we are. It's shining.
Love, 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 love.
Hey, look,
Can I get a knife as
my
well,
guy
please?
out. Look at her rose and look at mine. Let's come on.
Let's not judge.
Come on,
These
guys.
are getting worse.
Yeah.
What have you
These are
done?
getting worse and they're getting
Hey,
easier.
how has Konan done the best one so far? Do you know how mad that is?
You lot
Cause
trying to
that
get me
you keep
mad.
saying I have
got
a
a
restaurant. All right, look at that. What we naming
Oh,
that?
no, she's not making that. She's making crossberry ice muffins.
What's that there?
Crossberry ice muffins, a Swedish little dessert.
Exactly, that's exactly what I'm making.
Yeah, what?
No, it is. Crossberry ice muffins.
Oh,
That's it?
look at that.
That's not what it was supposed to be, but
No, don't, please. I won't taste
please,
it.
please,
I won't
please.
taste it. You f***ed up my whole No, you f***ed up my whole thing.
I'm not having that now.
Jam sandwich.
No, she ruined it. I can't even taste that
That looks
now.
like digestive.
You violated them. I really wanted to taste it.
That's a jam sandwich.
there you go. Just
She
cover it.
basically bodied it.
Yeah, just cover it. Use stretches.
Because you could just mask it. Say the hardest one to make by appearance is probably Konan's. The way the icing was just all over the shop and the dog.
I just realised it sounded like a real if I didn't taste it.
No, you know why it's a cheat? Because you could just cover your with that.
Bro, you just
My-
poured into a bowl and mixed it.
Are
You
you
know,
right?
we all could have done that. You know that, innit?
So why didn't you?
Because I didn't have that.
Oh
dish.
wait. So hold on. Do you
tried,
think?
you tried.
Do
No,
you
but
think-
I'm saying mine was harder. Bro, all
get
you done was pour stuff, mix, and then oven.
Yours was harder to make. Yours so
Come on,
far.
bro.
No,
yours-
it wasn't.
So far,
Let
yours
me
been
tell you
the
why.
hardest to make.
I
but you
just poured
tried.
stuff in the thing and mixed it. Then what did you do?
I took the,
When I poured stuff, what did you do?
Can
What
I
did
use
it tell
an
you to do?
anti-back wipe?
Pour
No.
You didn't take a mix it, no?
yeah, but put it on the edge, let it cool, sit. You didn't have no cool and sit period of
You
time.
didn't cool and sit, nada. You took it out of the oven and
Where's
took
the
it.
paper towels?
Paper towel for what?
I'm trying to wipe it, make it look
Yeah, put the
presentable.
little pink thing on the thing.
I'm done yet. See, I've got to put the ice in first and then I'm going to put my rose on it, fam.
Nella's got a good poker face. I don't feel like she can bake, but I feel like she winged it and went with it because she didn't even check the menu. But she done all right.
Listen,
Nigga
you
said
lot
she
weren't
didn't
even
even check the
creative with
menu.
what they're giving you.
Yeah, she picked that shit up once.
Make it a lotus biscuit.
What are you looking for?
The lotus
Yo,
biscuit.
I'm like dizzy.
Don't do that.
Don't smother that.
No, you're violating.
Why are you doing
I
that?
hope
You
you
know
try it
what?
first.
You know what? I'm not tasting hers.
You're
Do you
trying it
remember
first.
how much you tasted of mine?
The fuck is that?
Do you remember?
Your thing would have
Should
looked
look like
closely
a
to
different
the
type of
thing
peanut butter.
if you didn't do that.
Remember when you were going to school and you make like a volcano?
Yeah, you know what it is?
Mince
You
and
know what it
mince.
is now? You shouldn't have cut the green. You should have put the green
I was gonna say that too.
on the
That little shit the school used to do.
Lotus biscuit rose volcano cake.
No, she got the best presentation so far.
Nah,
mine
shit
wasn't
still
even
looks like some shit.
Oh, look, right here we got some shit.
Which is good.
Out of everyone today, out of all your students, mine actually resembled yours the most. Let's be honest, let's be honest, let's be honest. Are you going to be honest?
I'm going to be honest.
Thank you.
That is the closest to this.
Thank you. Sexy.
Okay, so this is 2 layers of sponge and whipped cream and jam.
I did all of that.
Did you do the whipped cream?
Yeah, I did. I poured it in. He told me to stop.
Ah. So there is some cream.
There's cream. There's cream.
There's cream.
There's
That's
cream.
the important thing is that there's cream. Okay. I like the rose.
Thank you. Better than yours.
Did you say better than mine?
Let's be honest. Are we going to be honest today?
So that's what it should look like inside.
So what's the top bit?
How do you
Whipped
make the
cream.
top just cream?
Is it? Yeah, that's hard.
You never told me that though.
It's in the recipe.
We don't talk about the recipe.
Nah, too much cream.
We don't talk about the
balls.
recipe. No.
Everything I cook is just
From the heart.
That shit is
exactly.
just.
Period. See, you know me. You already know me. You know
we
my
go
stuff.
way back.
More cream than cake.
This is medium. No flavor in that.
No flavour in it at
No
all.
flavor in that. Just whipped cream and
Just whipped
sponge.
cream and sponge. Shall we cut yours open?
Why you gonna say it like that?
I've won this.
I mean,
Wait, what the? Why is
Yeah.
it double sponge?
Bro, that's just.
Oh no, she just
Yeah.
whacked up. No, but it's still a double sponge, fam.
The game is the game, baby.
flavor.
I think I did amazing. I think out of everyone,
that's
I'm
nice
the
and
only one that
far.
actually made
It
an
should-
edible cake.
yeah.
And I'm the only one that actually made a cake that resembled what Alistair presented in the first place. So it's given, I need to win, and if I don't win, the whole game is rigged. That's how I feel. You love
You
it.
didn't take a big bite.
Oh,
out of
you
mine.
know, say tears good.
Go on, Alistair. Wait, Alistair. Aye.
He loves it.
Before you talk, let me just say something. You are a very nice man. And I feel like sometimes you can be too nice. So just be honest.
Just because he
Alistair.
wasn't nice about you. He said it tastes like
Alistair,
flour.
I don't know
He
where
said
you- I
my
don't
Yeah,
know
favorite-
where
but
you- he's
I know
lying.
what he meant to say was but he just wouldn't say that
But
to me
you
because
love
he's
it.
a nice man.
It's giving bites.
The jam is very good. It's not really a cake,
Hey.
and there's no
It's a
whipped
cake.
cream, but the jam is excellent. Have a taste. Let me cut you.
I've won this.
That about the jams,
I've
excellent.
won
The
this.
jam's nice.
It's nice.
Yeah, the jam is
Nigga, you
nice.
stick a whole spoon in there.
I do my thing.
It's nice.
And that's what it is. You know what? I've been telling you.
Right.
Nigga push him all the way on.
You're basically saying that I'm the best.
I haven't said that.
You literally said
Sorry,
it verbatim.
you know what I mean? Like, people wanted to say it was Did you see everyone's face? Like, we all tasted it. Konan is off, it's nice. No, it's nice. I'm bigging your thing up. You're strangling me for. That's all right.
Can this be the new?
So basically, right now it's between nails and cones. I'm out of it.
End the episode right now.
We're going back to Konan. I don't care. Just because I've seen now what Nels had to do and what I had to do. Konan just had to put stuff in a flipping bowl. You didn't even need to read the recipe, really. So here goes. We're about to try Nella's masterpiece. What's it called again? So the people know?
The Rosie Posey.
Rosie Posey.
Name's changed twice, but that's fine. All right, let's go. Oh, it is warm. All right, we all have to try it with some of the.
I'm the only one that actually made a cake that was cooked all the way through. Just saying.
My thing was cooked with it through. What kind of slander you got? What's going on? Because I got a restaurant, innit? So I'm just trying to put. Come. No, you're trying. No, because I heard the raspberry's good.
You're not eating that like it's fufu. Wait, man, dipped it in there.
It tastes like.
You look like
You love it. You love it. You love it. You
You
love
know
it.
it is. The cake tastes like nothing, but the raspberry's nice.
Yeah, no, like, the cake tastes like a biscuit, like biscuit.
Don't do that because he gave you a cookie and you didn't say
My
anything.
thing was
But
actually-
mine's actually
my
a
thing was
double-layered
actually-
sponge.
I said it's tasted alright, but
No, it tastes sweet. No, tell the truth. You said
I'm gonna be honest, yeah.
Tell the truth, tell the truth.
Hand on heart, that is miles better than yours. I think.
You're a liar.
Now shake my hand. Look.
You know what it is? It's the potion that's making you say that thing.
Bro, it's not bad.
ain't bad, ain't bad.
It didn't look like a cake originally. It was like more of a biscuit, cookie, shortbread. But when you actually bit it, it actually was like a cake still. It was the closest to getting near the champ, you feel me? But it just wasn't it.
I like that there's no flavour on the actual cake.
Nah, it's something.
Nah,
I'm jacking only because there was a little bit of mix. There was a little bit more shooting
flavour
balance.
of the cake, but it's miles better than mine, and mine tastes like.
And what else?
Is everyone high?
The jam's good.
Nah, he's stupid.
Yo.
We made everything from scratch, my brother. That's
Yeah.
the whole point of it.
Yeah, but I just like Nella's. Well done.
I see what's going on here. It's
Round of
good.
applause for Nels.
This is the rest of the biscuit. Miles better than mine, though. That's what I heard.
You say this is rest of the biscuit.
As everyone knows, I'm up next, yeah? And by the way things are going, I know Foot Asylum are gonna f me over and give me like a 3-story wedding cake or something with like 2 little mannequins on the top that I have to make out of cardboard. So
Make out of
yeah,
cardboard.
get cracking. I'm just looking forward to being disappointed.
Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in to Foot Asylum Bake Off. I've been Nella Rose.
I've been Young Philly.
I've been
Thank you. And make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Thank you.
Johnny, he just said that phone.
That's a good Nike sweatsuit though.
No, it's
Gotta have the flavors
no,
out there.
jokes aside. No,
Gotta have the
seriously, 'cause
material.
I
I never even
That's
seen that.
velour.
I never even seen that.
I look like corduroy. Oh, nah, they moving crazy out
Bro,
there.
they moving diff. That shit is Nike.
No, with the check in the middle is tough.
Yo, I would dare wear that. That's like some old
You don't
vibe,
know
like
nothing about no overseas drip.
nah, that ass. I really
Yes, I do.
don't.
That's what
Nah,
I
I
do.
don't. I'm trying to get in tune. There's a lot of shit I ain't seen.
We about to go there and scavenge.
No cat. We gotta go in the thrift shops.
Nah, I'm collecting.
Yo,
rare
bro.
shit.
I got the screenshots. Trust.
I need some original OG Nike shit never seen in Americas.
Some good tacks, windbreakers, fudges, joggers.
Nah, they gotta have some fire windbreakers out there.
I need multiple pocket windbreaker. I seen some shit in the music video we seen. I need that one.
Oh, it's just little pockets on the side.
Yeah, like 1, 2, 3.
Oh, you talking about sponsorship?
That shit was shit. And I'm happy it wasn't a sweater. It was like a sweater, windbreaker, fleece type shit.
Yeah, we about to come back. Big drippy.
See the vibe though.
Stay tuned.
I hope y'all enjoyed the vid. Comment, like, share, subscribe. Tune into all the other channels. Tune into Josh's channel. He just dropped a new vid for y'all like last week. But it's new.
If you haven't seen it,
You know what I'm saying? Tune into the main channel. We about to drop a vid this week. All the time, man. Be safe. Slap it up.
Hey, how you doing? Staff for credits.
You don't get to see behind the scenes, pussy.
of course not. You're a fat.